Hey Gemini, welcome to your favorite astrology channel, Sitara Ka Safar. I am your astrologer N Baksh, and today we're diving into your January 2025 horoscope. Let's uncover how this month's planetary movements are set to impact your key life areas: career, finances, relationships, health, and more. Based on your moon sign, these insights are as accurate as they get. Stay tuned till the end to gain clarity about what this month holds for you. Let's get started. Your finances this month are under scrutiny with Jupiter retrograde in your 12th house. This alignment hints at the importance of managing expenses cautiously and avoiding large or impulsive investments. Around mid January, as the moon transits through the 12th house, unexpected costs may arise. Proper budgeting will be essential to maintain balance. Long term planning and focusing on sustainable financial goals will benefit you this month. Avoid quick money schemes or high risk investments during this period. Stick to well thought out plans. Career prospects for Geminis are promising, particularly in terms of partnerships and collaborations, with the influence of Mercury and Sun in your 7th house. The initial part of January supports building professional connections and engaging in meaningful negotiations. Mid January brings the Sun's transition to your 8th house, which may increase your workload or bring hidden challenges to the surface. Time management and strategic planning will be crucial. Mercury combust after January 20th could disrupt communication at the workplace. Double check contracts and avoid committing to major decisions during this period. If you are a businessman, focus on nurturing existing partnerships rather than venturing into risky deals this month. Relationships may encounter a few bumps this month, as Ketu in the 4th house indicates potential misunderstandings at home. Family matters may require careful handling to avoid conflicts. For married Geminis, patience and open communication will strengthen your bond with your partner. Trust issues may arise, but they can be managed through honesty. Single Geminis may feel a lack of clarity in making relationship decisions, especially towards the month's end. Allow time for self reflection before taking any major steps. Moving forward, let's talk about our students now. With Mercury and Sun in the 7th house, for much of the month, students pursuing higher education, especially in foreign countries, may find this time favorable for applications and new opportunities. Challenges in concentration might emerge during the last week, but staying organized and setting achievable goals will help you on track. Fields like research, analytics, and law could bring significant success during this phase. Let's talk about travel. The presence of Rahu in the 10th house brings opportunities for productive travel. This is a good time for long distance journeys, especially those tied to professional goals. January's initial days are supportive of leisure travel, but as the month progresses, ensure your plans are well organized to avoid last minute disruptions. Health wise, with Mars retrograde in the 2nd house this month, you need to watch out for energy imbalances and stress. Take care of your diet and avoid overindulgence in spicy or heavy foods, as digestion related issues could arise. The moon's position on January 20th may trigger emotional fatigue. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help you maintain emotional stability. Stay hydrated, stick to a consistent sleep routine, and incorporate light exercises into your daily life to combat any fatigue or stress. This was your January 2025 horoscope. Remember, the stars guide you, but your efforts shape your destiny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitaraka Safar for monthly insights. For personalized readings or solutions to specific life issues, message us now on WhatsApp to book your appointment. Stay connected, and we'll meet again next month with new predictions. Until then, take care.